What's up there, YouTubers? Alright, so this is just gonna be a unboxing video. Recently, I've had quite a few people ask for my address to send their random stuff, or maybe it's something to help out with a project just because they want to donate, which that's cool with me because I will gladly take your stuff off your hands. Or if you think I do need something in my arsenal of, well, maybe you want me to put something in my hoard pile for a later project, like right over there. So with all the requests, I decided to get a P.O. box, just so everybody doesn't have my real address. Anyway, the very first person to send me something is, well, since I like to murder names, I'm gonna murder your last name, but his name is Tim. I'm just gonna leave it at Tim. Just kidding. Rauscher? Alright, Tim is the very first person to send me some. Oh, look at that. Here is Horace. Hey, buddy. Is that what it is? You heard me talking? Huh? Oh, hi. You wanna help me open this box? Horace is gonna help me open up this box. I know, we'll get to the box in just a second. We'll get to it in just a second, okay? Yeah, he is really excited to open up this box. Alright, so we're just gonna get straight to the box because Horace he can't hold his little cat pants anymore. So let's do it. Alright, so the first box is from Tim. First thing we have in here is, holy crap, I need one of these. This is a Stanley 6-way transformer tap. It easily fits 2 large adapter plugs. You know what? I am in desperate need of one of these. Holy crap, thank you very much. I'm not actually sure what these are, but they're like little mini plugs. Yeah, they're like little wires with plugs. 18 by 2. Thank you for the, yep, I see you. Alright, so there might be another part to this in the box, I'm not sure yet, but there is 4 of these here. And we have a whole bunch of screws. Alright, so Tim actually, he watched one of my TP4056 build videos, and he was asking me at that time if I needed some of these, and of course I can always use some of these, and I already have a project in mind. I would imagine that's what all these are from, his leftovers. So we have a whole bag of screws here, and we have a 4-cell holder. Let's see how many we got in here. It looks like there's a whole bunch. We got 1, 10, 14, 18650 4-cell holders. Hell yes. What else we got in here? A bag. Oh, it's a bag of weed. Just kidding. These are 14 500s, 2800 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, 10.36 watt hours. And we have this many. Keep an eye on this. Oh shit. We have another Stanley 6 beeper here. That's what the wife calls them, is if there's something that holds something, it's a beeper. So this is a 6 beeper. So now I got 2 of them. Technically I got 12. And we have a couple of 4-inch magnets, which these are always good. I actually have one sitting right over there on my drill press. And we have a fuse holder, and it holds 4 fuses. Awesome. Horace thinks it's awesome too. Alright, so we got 1 and 6 of those. Whoa, oh, shit. I was kidding at first. Sorry, bud. Whoa. I was kidding at first. What are you gonna do with all this stuff? Holy crap, man. That is awesome. You sent all kinds of stuff down here. Holy crap, man. I really do appreciate it, and I am probably gonna use, well, probably all of it. I already have a plan for the 18650 cell holders. I need to build a parallel charger for the upcoming, all the charger test videos and all that kind of stuff. I'm just waiting on one more thing, which I could be opening here just in a little bit. Definitely the 6 beeper outlets. I could always use more outlets. And the magnetic holders, I mean, you can't go wrong with those. Alright, on to the next unboxing. Alright, so the next unboxing, or actually it's more of like an unbagging, is from Liberty Auto, and he attended the live stream load test, and of course he was asking how many flashlights do I have that will hold 18 650s, and the answer was just one. So he deemed it necessary to add to that collection and went to, where did he go? I saw it on there. Army Tech Optoelectronics, and it looks like they are based out of Canada. And apparently he tried to order it while we were doing the live stream, and they were having a problem shipping it with the lithium-ion battery. So he had to request it to be sent without the battery, and it did finally show up here. Liberty Auto, if you want to check out his channel, looks like he is into camping, maybe some survival stuff, and maybe a little bit of four-wheeling. And if you're interested in any of those, I will link his channel down below. A Wizard Multi-Flashlight Pro, 10 years, no hassle warranty. 2300 LED lumens, white light. Nice. And if you can't read that, it says new electronics by the USA and Japan. And it'll beam out about 130 meters worth of light, constant brightness, conformable wide beam, highly submersible, and reliable materials. Battery and charger included. Liar! Oh, it's even got a headband. I mean, I saw the guy with the headband, but I just, for some reason, didn't think it had a headband in it. Damn. That is nice. Holy crap, man. Look at that thing. That is awesome. It feels like it's made out of aluminum, and it's got a nice grippy coating on it. Wizard Multi-Flashlight Pro. Got the little button right here on the side, and it's got charge or use by turning this bottom end down here. That's how you put the battery in there as well. Check out how you charge it. It's like a little magnet with a ring or something on there. Boom! And it looks like it has maybe like an armband or just a fashionable bracelet. We also have in here is a possible belt clip or something to at least hold it onto your pocket. A couple extra O-rings and the headband thing. Well, how about I just grab an 18650 and throw it in here? But which one? I've got too many to choose from. How about this one? It's a Samsung 22E. And according to the last capacity check, it was 1620 milliamp hours. Boom! Holy crap, that is bright. Damn, I just blinded myself. Alright, so I just noticed that when you push the button here, it lights up. Holy crap, dude. See how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 settings. Damn. Oh, actually that's still on. So maybe that's technically 7 settings. I didn't even know that was on. So maybe that's just if it's super dark out and you don't need much light at all, you can just use that. And then I just double click it and it goes back to full brightness, which we all know it's only going to be on. Alright, let's check it out on here now. How's that? Am I just completely, what, you guys can't see me now? Boom! Alright, so tell me if I look like the guy on the box. Yeah, not so much. I didn't think so. Alright, so I guess what's kind of cool about this is you can angle it down to pretty much wherever you're looking. I guess I could actually look at the directions, but why would we want to do that? I'm gonna turn off some lights here. Not that you'll be able to tell, but I'm gonna turn off the lights. I don't know how all the settings work. I'm not sure how all the settings work, because I could do it whenever I was holding it in front of me, but now that it's on my head, I can't think. But that's how it works. And you should definitely not point it at your eyes like I did when I first turned it on, because you'll go blind. Well, holy crap, man, this is actually a pretty awesome flashlight, and I'm probably going to use it with the clippy here. Well, holy freaking crap, man. That is the, well, it's the coolest 18650 flashlight that I personally own at this very moment. Now, of course, if somebody wants to up that, someone could always change my mind with another 18650 flashlight. And if you do want to do that, you can send me stuff and things directly to my new P.O. box. It is Average Joe, P.O. Box 31562, Omaha, Nebraska 68131. But holy crap, dude, that's the coolest 18650 flashlight that, well, that I've seen, because I don't have any except for that other one, which is pretty awesome too. I really appreciate it, and if anybody else wants to check out the flashlight, I'll leave a link down below. So again, Liberty Auto, thank you very much. Alright, I have one more unboxing, which is again more like an unbagging. This one is from Banggood. Alright, so I got the antimatter 30 amp 1000 watt charger slash discharger slash I can do pretty much freaking everything charger. This guy came with a multi BMS here, looks like 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, and 6S. A whole bunch of S's. And we have the leads that go in on this side of the charger for the discharge and whatnot. Some extra leads. I'm not exactly sure what these guys are for yet. I'll have to read the instruction manual on this guy. Looks like a temperature sensor and some more alligator clips. Alright, now it might be a little tricky to see on this side since the anodized aluminum, but right there you got your outlets, temperature sensor, and this is basically the balance port, and you can do up to 10S with this charger. This side's pretty much just got your input leads and a USB, because I think you can hook this up to a computer as well. And of course it does lithium ion 1 through 10S, NiCad and NiMi 1 through 25S, and you can also do lead acid 2 to 36 volts. The circuit power is 1000 watts, charge rate is 0.05 to 30 amps, and so is the discharge rate of 0.05 to 30 amps. Boom! Alright, so thank you very much, Banggood. They pretty much sent this out to me to test it out and pretty much do whatever I want to do with it. The main reason I wanted it was because I wanted to build a parallel 1S charger for the charger comparison video. One of the most recent suggestions was to parallel charge all the cells pretty much in between each test. So I didn't really have any sort of bulk 1S charger. I mean, I could have possibly used a TP4056, but come on, that'll take forever. So that was one of the reasons for this charger, and the second reason was to basically capacity check each one of my 14 S packs, one at a time of course. Now it kind of worked out great because that last load test, pack 14, was kind of dropping off the end of the map there, so this charger slash discharger will hopefully give me an idea of what's going on with that, and then I can also pull out each individual cell, or at least the ones I think are bad, and check all those for capacity crispy as well. Alright, well I want to thank Tim and Liberty Auto for sending me stuff and things, and if anybody else would like to send me stuff and things, my PO address will be in the description down below. Again, you don't have to, I just had a lot of requests to send me random things, and I figured I might as well get a PO box so people can just send at random, whether it is something for a project or something that you just want to donate to the channel. Alright, well it looks like I have a little bit of work to do, so I will see you guys on the next one. Hi buddy. Hi. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. And oh, I forgot what I was gonna even say. You're in the way now, dude. Yes. Come on, let's open this box up. Move your cat butt. And we have a 4. They look like double A's. Focus. And we have a fuse holder. Hi, buddy. For at least. Hey, no, dude. No. Cat nap time. And see. I'm looking at the wall. Oh shit. Pretty much in between each chat. Oh wait, can I? Maybe you have to have a bigger wrist or something. Maybe it's for your leg. If I stand right here.